I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 8th day of June. Alabama's weather awfully comfortable this morning. Looks like we'll stay totally dry today, which is very odd for this time of the year, but slowly but surely the humidity and the heat levels will be rising in coming days. Let's take a look out the window this morning with the Skycam network. Boy, that's nice, isn't it? That's the view coming from Mount Cheahaw, looking east at 5 a.m. Getting ready for what seems to be a beautiful sunrise there. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s across the state. We'll go down to the Clanton Skycam. Once again, the sky is clear there. And from Inverness, a look at the traffic over Highway 280. A few folks out there at 5 o'clock. Water vapor satellite shot this morning. Very dry air covers Alabama. All of the active convection well to the north. And again, looks like we can eliminate the chance of afternoon showers today. Something very odd for this time of the year. Typically, somebody somewhere gets wet on a summer afternoon. Here's a look at the temperatures, mostly in the 60s. The cool spot there, Gadsden at 64. We have to wonder if some of the cooler pockets up there in northeast Alabama are in the upper 50s this morning. Very possible. Watch warning map. All of the active convection is well to the north again. And there's the MCS the morning, mesoscale convective system. Big old nasty line of thunderstorms coming through northeastern Kansas. Approaching Topeka. And that's a severe thunderstorm watch there until 9 o'clock. In terms of the risk for the rest of today and tonight, there's the standard slight risk of severe weather all the way from Denver to Indianapolis. And of course, around here will be dry tomorrow. A slight risk down into Tennessee. We'll have to watch that. There's a weak surface boundary up there, and have to see if some of those thunderstorms can cross into the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. But that risk is basically from Memphis up to West Virginia. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, there's the standard slight risk up there across parts of the high plains. Overall rain for the next 5 days, not very much. The big numbers are out there across the nation's heartland. Cities like Des Moines, Iowa will be covered up with rain this week, but around here this is suggesting the better rain up in northeast Alabama. Almost 1 inch there. Go down to Gulf Shores and Dauphin Island, nothing on the Alabama Gulf Coast, so weather issues not a concern for the Gulf Coast for the next 5 days. And the tropics are quiet on this 8th day of the Atlantic hurricane season. We'll check the OZGFS. This is valid at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. And you can see ridging all across the deep south. Little upper low down there over South Texas. But needless to say, with that being the case, no active weather here. Will be dry, sunny, and probably a little hotter today. Good chance we might hit 90 or maybe even low 90s in spots. But the humidity will stay low, so conditions will feel pretty good. Tomorrow, again, we've got a surface front to the north, and there seems to be some risk of an afternoon storm, especially north of Birmingham up over the Tennessee Valley. So we'll keep an eye on things. Thursday, that weak front tries to drift down towards the Tennessee Valley, but it's going to stall out and fizzle out with the lack of upper support. But again, that would hint at maybe some risk of a shower or storm in spots. It's going to be scattered. It's not going to rain everywhere. And Friday looking a little drier now. The GFS shunts the deeper moisture east of here over Georgia, the Carolinas, and Florida. So if this is right, there'd be only a small chance of a shower Friday. And what about the weekend, you ask? Uh-oh, look at the 594 bubble. If that indeed is the case, it's going to be hot. Big trough over the southwest. And if indeed that heat ring is in there, it's going to be hot and pretty much dry. For now, we've got a high in the low 90s with a chance of scattered showers and storms. We might reduce that to a slight risk for any one spot if this keeps up. And pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Somebody somewhere could see a shower there, but probably not much rain. Monday of next week, a little deeper moisture. That would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. And the same thing on Tuesday of next week, a week from today. Check the end of the forecast, June 23rd. Got a little weakness in the ridge across the deep south, and if that's right, that would be kind of soupy and soggy with scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.